Coronavirus cases appear to be increasing while deaths caused by the virus are decreasing. At least that's what data trends are showing. But how are we drawing those conclusions, and why is this happening? We spoke with a local ER doctor, and this is how he broke it down.
I think the mortality rate is stable. I wouldn't say it's decreasing quite yet, and there's a number of reasons for this trend.
It's true. When looking at data from the LA County Department of Public Health, in the last month or so, the mortality rate has held stable, while overall you see a decrease from the start of the pandemic. When it comes to cases increasing, Dr. Daniel attributes the rise in positive cases due to the reopening of the economy.
Workers went back to factories or indoor settings. That's a large amount of people in a concentrated area for a long period of time.
The second reason why we're seeing this trend, according to Dr. Daniel, is based on the increase of positive cases that we're seeing in young people. The positivity rate of young people increased from 45% of all cases to 52% of all cases in about 2 months. The third factor, says the doctor, is that there's evidence the coronavirus has mutated and is spreading faster.
And there was some evidence out of Chicago and New York that, just a single mutation in this virus's code have led to it to be more contagious and more infectious.
To be clear, he says the mutation is not making people sicker than before. The final factor contributing to this trend, according to Dr. Daniel, is that we're getting better at treating the virus. The doctor says thanks to positive results from developing medical techniques, including the use of remdesivir, we're finally starting to discover treatments that can help some of the most serious coronavirus cases. But be aware.
We're just waiting on that 10 to 14-day period where we start to see patients, not do so well on the ventilator and not make it out of the hospital.
Also, keep in mind, just because we're seeing this trend now doesn't mean this virus isn't dangerous or deadly.